The next concept that we're going to be looking at is the sort of relationship between leadership and management. Now, so often we actually take a look at both of them and we think, it might be the same thing, but it's actually quite different. Leadership and management are two very different things. But if you want to be a great leader, you need to know how to manage. If you want to become a great manager, you need to know how to lead. So they link to each other, but they are different things. So here's a little definition. Leadership isn't management. This is the big one. Leadership and management are not synonymous. So that means that they are not the same. If you have 15 people in your downline and profit and loss responsibility, good for you. Hopefully, you are a good manager. Good management is needed. Managers need to plan, measure, monitor, coordinate, solve, hire, fire, and so many other things. Typically, managers manage things. Okay, so managers manage things. Leaders lead people. So there is your sort of difference, very, very well spelt out. Managers manage things, leaders lead people. Okay, can you see the difference? All right, so formative 1.2. This is where you're going to use your leadership thinking. Okay, so this is on section 1, page 11. So I can show you where that is. So let's go down. There we go. That's where it is. That's what it looks like. So you are now going to do your formative section. So what I want you to do is to think of a goal for your group for this module. Okay, you guys are going to be working together. Think of a goal for your group. You could even go back into your team. So back at your team at work, think of a goal for your team. Then I want you in your little groups through WhatsApp or through virtually any other kind of system, or if you're in the same room, which would be great, collaborate, share ideas, and then you're going to write an inspirational speech to push others in your team to achieve this goal. So, you've heard some of the great politicians have these wonderful speeches that get people to be motivated and they really want to go out and change the world. Well, that's what I want you to do. Write a speech in that way, use emotive language, and do it in such a way that people feel inspired to go out and achieve the goal that you've just created. This is a little lesson on vision casting and be able to communicate your vision to others. So remember to write that speech, make bullet notes, write down your notes of your thinking, of your brainstorming, and I want to see that on formative section 1.2, which is on page 11 in your portfolio. So you guys have got 10 minutes to do that. Once you have done that, then please move on to the next video.